It's our first day. It's overcast and cool, but definitely not cold for a mid-December day. Our first fishing destination was literally less than a minute away from our accommodations here in Conneaut. After setting up our rods, we all headed down to the Conneaut River to see if there was any fresh steelhead in. Kurt takes Tim up to a good-looking run and instructs him on how to present the fly properly based on the current water conditions.
All these streams are all slate bottom streams, so we're looking for the little cuts. So anywhere you see the dark, and just kind of fish all the dark spots, clean over to right behind that rock. So hit him, there we go. Nice, let him run. There we go.
So you have these fish named, Kurt? Is that the...
This is Jim. Real, he's coming in the hole. Big thing is just keep that bed. Yep.
Yeah.
Real. All right, there we go. Nice, good work. Oh! Well,
Right there.
nothing you did wrong.
Yeah.
That's what happens. So Tim's he's got a 10-foot rod. You can see the way he's fishing right now is he has no fly line on the water. So you always get the best drift, the less fly line you actually have on the water. You need to set on everything, and it's, whether that indicator just pauses, sometimes it's actually gonna go under, sometimes it's gonna do like a double twitch, and you just gotta set on everything. Once you realize if you hooked into a rock and you go over that exact same spot the next time, you can kind of let it dip and go past that rock. But until you know, every rock is a fish, because the rocks hit just like the fish hit. Try and get people to realize that don't get hung up, because you are gonna lose some fish. That's all part of the game. That's why we chase these things. Oh, that's a nice fish. Wow, that's a nice one there, bud. That's a real good one. Yeah, that one's 8 plus, 8 or 9.
Nice.
Nice fresh fish. Nice fresh
Yeah,
end.
right.
Looks like. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Yeah, that's a nice fresh
nice,
thick fish.
right.
Well, that lake is so healthy. It's just producing some amazing fish this year. Yeah, nice. Nice fish. Took the little blood dot. I mean, that is a heavy fish.
Come here, old girl. That fish has been eating good.
That fish is beautiful. I mean, absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you, sweetheart. Very nice.
Nice. That's what we're looking for.
That was fun.
We didn't have to travel far this morning.
No. That's, that was a good call.
Watch out. Let him run.
Oh.
Real quick. He's coming back. There you go. Nice. All right, yep, let him go again.
I don't think it's as big as the others, Kurt, but...
Well, we're gonna find out. He'll probably hear you insulting him. He's gonna take off again.
Calling him a smaller fish and go tearing off somewhere, back to the lake.
It's a nice fish. It's not a little fish.
No?
It's another nice fresh one. Yeah, they don't get any prettier.
That's a beautiful fish, huh?
Beautiful. Nice hen. Beautiful
Right.
hen.
You ready to let her go?
All right. Nice.